Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python decorators are a powerful and flexible feature that allows you to modify or extend the behavior of functions or methods. Decorators are essentially wrappers around functions, providing a way to execute code before and after the wrapped function. In this tutorial, we'll explore the concept of decorators, understand how they work, and create some practical examples. In Python, functions are first-class citizens, which means they can be passed as arguments to other functions and returned as values. Decorators take advantage of this by allowing you to modify the behavior of functions dynamically. A decorator is defined using the @decorator syntax above the function definition. It is essentially syntactic sugar for calling a function with another function as an argument. This is equivalent to. Let's start by creating a simple decorator that prints a message before and after the execution of a function. In this example, simple_decorator is a decorator that takes a function func as an argument and returns a new function wrapper. The wrapper function prints a message, calls the original function func, and then prints another message. When say_hello is called, it is replaced by the wrapper function. Decorators can also take arguments, allowing for more customization. Let's create a decorator that repeats the execution of a function a specified number of times. In this example, repeat_decorator is a decorator factory that returns a decorator based on the provided times argument. The returned decorator, takes a function func and returns a wrapper that calls func the specified number of times. To handle functions with arguments, we can make our decorator more generic using *args and *quargs. Here's an example. In this example, generic_decorator can be applied to any function, regardless of its arguments. The wrapper function uses *args and *quargs to accept any number of positional and keyword arguments. Multiple decorators can be applied to a single function, creating a chain of modifications. The order of decorator application matters, as they are executed from the innermost to the outermost. In this example, decorator 2 is applied first, followed by decorator 1. Python decorators provide a powerful and elegant way to modify the behavior of functions. They are widely used in frameworks and libraries to implement features like logging, memoization, authentication, and more. Understanding decorators can greatly enhance your ability to write clean and modular code. Experiment with different decorator implementations and explore how decorators can be applied in real-world scenarios. As you gain more experience, you'll find decorators to be a valuable tool in your Python programming toolbox. ChatGPT